So tasty, trust me guys, you're going to love it, but more importantly, you will be amazed at its simplicity, and that's what cooking with Trevo is all about. So let's get this bad boy up and tell you exactly what we have here. What is a rack of pork? Well, that's basically the pork loin on the bone, which is up here. Think of a rack of lamb as well, okay? Well, here's why I want you supporting your local butcher all the time. You go straight into him and you say, make sure you take off the bone down the middle here. He'll know exactly what you're talking about, so that when it comes to carving, we can go straight down the bone, straight down the chop, and we'll be able to carve it perfectly per person. And that's exactly what we want. Now, here's what we do. You want to get a little bit of oil just on the top. And what we're going to do is we're going to seal off our pork before we put it into the oven. So get the pan on there to get it nice and hot. So, simple. Just a little bit of oil into your hand, and now you're talking basically just enough to massage it. Now, that's all you want. Basically, it's just for our seasoning to stick onto it. So on the fat side and on both sides of the loins like that. So you basically just score the fat, sharp knife, take your time like that, and you're saying, Trevo, isn't that normally a bit of crackling on the loin of pork? And yes, there is, but we don't want it in this dish because there's a million recipes you can do with the crackling. This one, we have it off. So we're just going to score it. That's just so to give a little bit of decorative touch when we take it out of the oven. Now, the seasoning, you know by now, it's basic, it's rock salt. I'm going to love this one, guys. Absolutely love it. Let's get a little bit of cracked black pepper. That's it. And we're going to pick it up and let it just go fat side down, guys, right on to the pan. No oil in the pan, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Now, so let's pick up this pork and have a quick look at it. And you can see that's exactly what we're looking for. It's just basically to get it started. And that will all crisp it up nice in the oven. This is going to go into a preheated oven, 180 degrees, for about 350 Fahrenheit for about an hour and 45 minutes. So we seal underneath. It just takes a couple of seconds. But trust me guys, this makes the world of difference. It seals in all the flavour, seals in all the juice, and that's where you're going to get a beautiful succulent pork chop. So we just seal on that side. Yep, working like a treat. You see the way we have it there on the side? Perfect. And just seal the other side. Takes 2 seconds, guys, but trust me, it's all worth it. So that's exactly what we're looking for, guys. We've sealed it all around, and we just take it straight out. Now, here's the important part. Make sure you put it with the fat facing up, okay, and on the bone. The bone is actually like a trivet already, so the air is circulating around. As it's roasting, look at the fat inside of the oven. It's melting, it's coming down onto the meat, and it's keeping it succulent and moist, and that's the trick to a roast. So let's put this guy into the oven. Now I'm just going to drop a little bit of that fat, because we're not doing roast potatoes. So let's put this guy straight into the oven. Remember, 180 degrees for 1 hour 45 minutes. Straight in. Absolutely beautiful. And now I'm going to explain to you what we're doing with our pomme gratin. Okay, this could not be easier. So what have we got? We've got about 1 kilo to 1.5 kilos potatoes, and that's exactly what we're looking for. And this will feed easily 6 people. So take it all out, and we're going to cut them about ½ centimetre thick. Trevo, do I need to get a ruler to this? No, just use your hand, okay? And keep them all the same way. And when you're at home, just to make it easier, do a tiny little slice off the bottom to stop the potato from rocking. At least that way then, it's going to be much easier for you, just in case you're not as good with the old knife. So simple, put it right down, straight down. This couldn't be easier. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to keep about 3 or 4 of the big ones back, and you're going to see why exactly. This is easy again, guys. All done in advance, no problems, plenty of time having a crack with the hammer. So slice them down, get a good few done. So in the oven, 20 minutes to prepare, in we go, and it's all coming out of the oven at the exact same time. You don't need to worry about timing of anything. So get my little dish, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So we put in our potatoes into this, so we flatten it down like that. Okay, so you can see, that's our first layer. Now, we put in our seasoning and our flavour. So salt, rock salt. You're putting putting in a sprinkle per layer. We get our cracked black pepper. Put that in. Again, good 15-20 twists of the pepper now. Now, just a little sprinkling. I decided I'm going to use Cajun spices favourite. As I said, nutmeg goes really well. And again, just a nice little layer of that. Cover the potatoes. And we go again. It's this easy. Trego, you forgot your garlic. You're right, I did forget my garlic. Let's just slice a little bit of garlic, nice and fine as you can get it, guys. Simple. About a clove to maybe half a clove. And as this is in the oven, settling down, all these guys are having a great chat. How you doing? I'm Mr. Garlic. Hello, Mr. Potato. They're all beginning to fall in love with each other, and we're making the flavour. So let's go again. Another layer. Same thickness, give or take. Don't worry about it. It's all going to reduce lovely. So slice them all up. That's our second layer. You see, guys, you'll have a bit more time to do this at home. And now, we go with another little sprinkle of salt. Yes. Another little twist of our pepper. It's the exact same thing that we did on the first time around. And now, let's get in the rest of our Cajun, our nutmeg, or whatever it is you want to use. Spices. So we've used about a teaspoon in total. Now, here is the trick to it, guys, okay? Let's get this here, and I want to show you exactly what I mean. Just take one little slice off it like that, so that your potato stays nice and flat. Take an extra 2 seconds at this part, because this is where the presentation comes in. So slice it down. Look at that. And try and keep them the same thickness as much as possible at this part, okay? What's underneath, it doesn't really matter. But if you can, keep it as close to the same size. Okay, so here's what we go. I've got about 500 mils of milk and cream mixing together. Let's get in some of that now. And when this starts roasting, you'll smell the garlic and everything's going to come together absolutely perfectly. So we pour in our milk and cream, and now this is what I want you to do. I want you to have it nice and layered for your presentation on top so that it looks that bit prettier. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on this. Okay, you get the idea. We do that nice and decorative all the way home. I'm going to grate a little bit of cheese. Everybody always has a stump of cheese left in their fridge, a bit of cheddar or parmesan, so we're just going to grate that down. Now, we're going to sprinkle that on top of our cheese. Oh yes, cheese and potatoes. Who does not love it? A little bit of parmesan as well. Come on. So think, guys, that pork is in the oven about 15-20 minutes already. I'm going to give it one last season here at the top. I'm going to throw in a sneaky spoon of butter. That's all going to melt. I'll tell you what, that's a lot of butter. No, it's not. That's for about 6 or 7 people in there. Not even a teaspoon each. I'm going to finish off this. I'm going to finish it off with my cheese. It's going to go into the oven. It's going to take 1 hour and 25 minutes. When this comes out of the oven, the smells that are going to fill the kitchen, how well it's going to look, trust me guys, you're going to want to stay watching this. Look, Trevor, how do I know when it's ready? Touch it. Don't be afraid. It should be ever so slight give. Only an ever so slight give. But if you've got 6 bones in for 1 hour and 45 minutes at 180 degrees, it's cooked. Trust me. So, take off our pork. Oh, God. That is just spectacular. Now, remember what I said? When we take the pork out, take the tin foil off the potatoes so they get nice and crispy on top because they're nearly ready too. Get the tray out of the way. Don't get rid of it because we've got a little bit of juice in there that's going to go right back on top at the very end. Now, look what Trevo did. Threw a couple of, say, stewing apples or cooking apples into a pot. And we just threw in a little cinnamon stick with it, just to give that little kind of background flavour in it. So that just stewed away nicely. It takes 2 or 3 minutes. And I told you we were going to get a caramelised apple. This is more just for a garnish more so than anything. Because we want pork, potatoes, and apple. So, a little bit of heat. I've got just a small frying pan here. And we're going to do what's known as caramelizing an apple. So this is very, very straightforward. Just a little dollop of butter into your pan. And just going to put in a sprinkle of sugar, not a lot, because as the butter melts and the sugar starts melting with it, that's where we're going to make a very simple caramel. So just put in like a teaspoon. Don't forget, because there's natural sugars in the apples anyway, so it's going to caramelize naturally. Okay, so here we go. Get a nice little red apple or green apple or anything like that, but a normal eating apple. And just very simply, straight down, and we're just going to portion off. You know what to do, just cook it into 4s or 6s or something like that. So we just put it straight in. Don't worry, the butter and the sugar will do its thing first. So put it straight in. It's only to give it a little bit of colour, a little bit of a garnish, and a little bit of a kick. Beautiful. Listen to the pan, it's telling us, Trevo, we're nearly good to turn over. So we just pick one up. You see the way it's getting a little bit of a colour on it? That's exactly what we are looking for. Now, when you're at home, leave it for about another 30 seconds there just so it crispens up nicely and gets nicely caramelized. So I know it's going to be ready. Because all I have to do now, guys, the pork is ready, the salad is ready, our little stewed apple is ready, our caramelized apples are ready. What's left to go? Can you remember? I hope you're paying attention. Of course, our beautiful pomme gratin. Let's open it up. Oh, look at it. You know what? Look at this. Oh, I'm just going to take a second. Oh, come on, come on. When you're good, you're good. And this is exactly how it's going to come out of your oven at home. No camera trickery, nothing. This is exactly how it's going to work. Compose yourself. Take a breath, because now we are about to carve. And this is what makes it all worthwhile. So let's get our potatoes out of the way. Over there. Look at them, guys. They are just absolutely fantastic. Our pork has rested nicely. And even the fat has crispened up as well. So we didn't need the crackling. So here's what you do. See the bones here? A bone per person. Okay? Alright. I'm sure one of those chops will take care of 2 kids. So you're literally coming straight down the bone. That's exactly what we're looking for. So just carve down. Take your time. That's for Dad, because that's the big piece. And come straight down here. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Look at that, guys, right? Perfect, perfect. Oozing full of juice. Look at the juice that's coming out of here, guys. Look. That is why we cook at the temperatures we cook. Don't go in at 200 degrees because you're cooking out all that moisture. That's not what we want. I have to admit, guys, you know, sometimes I actually even surprise myself. This is amazing. So let's get ourselves a serving plate. Let's dig in. Treva, how do I know when those potatoes are cooked? Get a fork and just prod it. Make sure they're soft all the way through, but we know they are because you are cooking with Treva and I've told you exactly what to do. So get a scoop of these potatoes and look at the way they've absorbed all the butter and the cream. Excuse my fingers, but I want a crispy one on top. Let's put that there. Come on. Let's get rid of our little masher. Let's just put a little bit of our stewed apple right underneath there. You know what, guys? This is an absolute cracker. Look at the crispiness on the pork. Let's just put our pork like so. Let's get our caramelized apples. There's your colour. Always have a little bit of colour on the plate, guys, for presentation. We've got our salad to go right beside it. Now, if we have learned nothing else, you gotta learn to trust Trevo, because everything I'm doing here is exactly how you're going to replicate it at home. You now know how to do the perfect Sunday lunch. A roast rack of pork, pomme gratin, apple strudel, caramelized apples, a salad, and it took you minutes. Guys, check it out, try it out, and let me know how you get on when you see what's coming up next.